Okay, there's a train. And if you click that like button, then it might come closer. So do it. Do it. And I almost forgot. There's an accelerator. You can see
I think.
Okay, we're gonna miss out on the other train. Is there an accelerator train over there? It's way closer in real life, but this camera is very off. Wait, is it just gonna leave? Oh, okay.
There, it's coming. Right there.
Wait, it's going the other way. What the heck? What the heck? Why is it going the other way? Okay, anyway. Yeah, it's coming. This train should leave. The accelerator train is coming at an alarming rate.
Well, that's an AMTRAK.
Oh wait, it's just an AMTRAK. Oh yeah, that's an AMTRAK. Yeah, that's just an AMTRAK. And it's okay. What kind of train is that loud?
No, I think that was it, guys. Maybe it was not. No, it should be a seller. It should be a seller. Maybe a seller came earlier. It's weird.
And it's leaving. Okay, catch you later. This video's over, so I guess we can click on another one. Do it now. The train's going. Yeah.